ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः We were seeing the Tavyanta Rupam, Rupani, Aniyanta Rupani. I think last class we were seeing the point number 31. Kri Dhatoho Tavya Rupam, Aniya Rupam. Nijanta also we saw. Kretavya, Kretavya, Krapi, Krapayitavya, Nijanta Rupam. Similarly, Krapaniya. Now from here, some exercises are there which we will do. And next class we will start Kridanta. I'll give an introduction if time permits. अवधेयम् अनियर् प्रत्ययान्तः तव्य प्रत्ययातं च विशेषणं भवति अनियर् प्रत्ययान्तं तव्य प्रत्ययान्तं च विशेषणं भवति. They can be a विशेषण. We can qualify the noun in the context. अतः विशेषण विशेष्योः नियमम् अनुसृत्य विशेषणपदं विशेषस्य लिङ्गं विभक्तिः वचनं च अनुसरति. So विशेषणं विशेष्यानुसारं भवति. विशेषस्य का विभक्तिः किं वचनम् and the विभक्ति वचनानुसारं विशेषणस्यापि भवति. विशेष्यम् is adjective. विशेषणम् is विशेष्य is substantive. क्षम्यताम्. Visheshanam is adjective. Since these are used as adjectives, Tavya, Aniya, Pratyantam, therefore it can take the gender and Vachanam, Vibhakti and Vachanam of the Visheshya. So Visheshanasya, that is Aniya Pratyantasya, Atava Tavya Pratyantasya, Visheshyanusaram, Vibhaktihi, Vachanam cha bhavataha. Example, Yata, Grantaha Pataniyaha. And we saw already this aniyar, this kritya pratyas to denote karma, object. Therefore, we are using karmani priya. They refer karma. The kritya pratyanta प्रत्यांतेन कर्म अभिधीयते. So therefore it is like karmani prayoga. Karma will be denoted. Karta will be, because it is karta is anabhigita, it will be tritiya. So in the vakyam grantaha pataniyaha, grantaha, the object, karma, which is in pratama vibhakti, ekavachanam. Grantha should be read, pataniyaha, should be read, or patana yogyaha, that meaning also deserves to be read. Avashikarte, avashikarte, argharte, yogyarte, and all the meanings. So Grantaha is Pullinga, therefore Pataniyaha. The book should be read. Pataniyaha atava Patitavyaha. Suppose instead of Grantha we have Gita, then Gita, Patitavya or Pataniya. So in keeping with the gender and also Vachanam and Vivakti. Grantaha Pratama Vivakti, therefore Patitavyaha, Pataniyaha. They are in Pratama Vivakti and same Vachanam, singular, Ekavachanam. But who is reading the Grantha, the text? By the Karta. Karta is Abhigita or Anabhigita. Karta is
Anabhigita.
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 Anabhigita Karta will be in
Tritiya.
Tritiya Vibhakti. Kartar Karanayos Tritiya, that is a sutram. Karta and Karana, when they are not denoted by Kriyapada, then it will be Tritiya. Grantaha is denoted by this Pataniyaha or Patitavyaha. They are playing the role of a verb. They are verbal equivalents. That's why they call verbal derivatives. Kridantaha iti. Grantaha is like Rama Shabdaha, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Grantaha, Granto, Grantaha. Grantaha is Pataniyaha, Granta is Pullinga, therefore Pataniya is Pullinga, decline like Rama Shabda. And Pratama Vibhakti and Ekavachanam, therefore, that should be Samana Adhikaranyam. It was called Samana Adhikaranyam, Samana Vibhakti and Vachanam. And gender also should match. Chatrena Vyakya, commentary, Pataniya or Patitavya. Vyakya is Srilinga. Therefore, Pataniya. Pataniya or Patitavya is Pratama Vibhakti. Vyakya means Vyakya is commentary by Chatra, by the student. This is example for Srilinga. Chatrena or Chatraya doesn't matter. What are maybe the linga of this? That doesn't have any implication on this because it is anabhigita. What is abhigita is karma only abhigita. Like Nishtha Pratyaya. The Nishtha Pratyaya, Ta Pratyaya, Bhute, Arte, Nishtha Pratyaya, Prayujyate, Ta Kavatu, Ta Pratyayena, Karma Abhigitam Bhavati. Karma is denoted. Similarly, Kritya also, by Kritya, Karma is denoted. Generally, Krit Pratyaya is Krit Pratyaya denotes Karta, Kartari Krit. These are all exceptions. There is a rule, Kartari Krit. Krit Pratyaya is added to the Dhatu in the sense of, whatever may be the sense. The sense is given as given, but denotes Karta. But these are all exceptions. Tavya Pratyaya denotes karma. Aniya Pratyaya denotes the karma. Karma of the Kriya. Kriya is Patana Kriya. And Patana Kriya must be done by a person. And that is not, person is not Abhigita, it's Anabhigita. Anabhigita Tva Tritiya. Similarly, Chatrena Sutram Pataniyam. Napumskalinga Pratama Ekavachanam Pataniyam Atva Patitavyam. Same for other Kritya Pratyas of Sunyata, Yata, etc. Now, let us do the practice. Vyasaha. So here we are. Yoga Shikshaka, Shikshakaha and Chatraha. Okay. Mahida, you
Yes,
are
Guruji.
Yoga Shikshakaha. Yoga Shikshakaha means
teacher of yoga.
Yes. Nagendraha is the student. Rajaji. Please read and find
Vayam.
out where
Hmm.
the krityas are used.
वयम् अद्य नाडीशुद्धिः इति प्राणायामस्य चर्चां कुर्मः। अस्य प्राणायामस्य विषये हठयोगप्रदीपिकायां विवरणम् अस्ति। प्रथमं तत् पठनीयम्। पठनीयम् is the.
Is the meaning clear? Meaning should be clear.
It's somewhat clear. Today we will.
Why somewhat? It should be many words clear.
Yes.
100 words clear it is. Why? What's the problem?
What is Pradeep?
Vayam charcham kurmaha. Vayam kurmaha. Kurmaha what? Kriya padam. Asking what kriya padam? Which lakara?
Maha. Should be.
Karomi kurvaha kurmaha. Not kurma.
Okay, lat only.
It is lat lakara. Uttama purusha. Bhagavachanam. This you have to practice. Kriya padam with appropriate the nouns. Tum karoshi aham karomi. Yuvam kruta yuyam kruta aham karomi avam kurvaha vayam kurmaha. That must be fluent. That one has to practice. Which of course I give for the other class. I mean, it's not beginners, it has come to some level now. Practicing this. This will be a daily abhyasa. Taking any kriya padam, say for example, patati, patataha, patanti, you have to use some nouns and then say, saha patati, tau patataha, te patanti. Tvam patasi, yuvam patataha, yuyam patataham patami, avam patava, vayam patamaha. So similarly for other lakaras, lung, lot, ling. Saha patet, tau patetam, te pateyuhu. Tvam patehe, yuyam pateta. Yuvam pateta, yuyam pateta. Aham pateyam, avam pateva, vayam patema. Sefer Atmanepari, like that. You have to practice. Then only the fluency will come on speaking. So Vayam Kurmaha, we do. Vayam Kim Kurmaha, Charcham Kurmaha, we do. Charcha is discussion. Charcha is reading. Therefore, Charcham Kurmaha, we do discussion. We discuss. Pranayama, say Charcham. This subject of discussion is Pranayama. Nadi Shuddhi iti Pranayamasya. So we discuss Adya today. Nadi Shuddhi iti, that is the subject matter. Nadi Shuddhi is pranayama. That the charcha, the discussion we do today. Asya pranayamasya vishaye. About this pranayama, with regard to this pranayama, Atayoga Pradipika is a book.
Okay. Pradipika means?
Atayoga Pradipika. Deepika, that which throws light. Deepika means Deepa. From that we get Deepika. That which gives knowledge, which throws light, that referring to the book itself, Yoga Pradipika. That which gives knowledge of Atta Yoga. The name of the book, Grantha. Atta Yoga Pradipikayam Vivaranam Asti. About this pranayama, there is Vivaranam explanation in the Atta Yoga Pradipika. Attamam Tata Pataniyam. First one must read. One must read is not the Tata Pataniyam alone is that. That must be read first. One, of course, it is understood subject. Then Mahendraha, Raja.
Mahodaya, Adya aham pustakam na anitavan.
You can understand.
Yeah, I have not brought the.
Yes.
I have not brought the book.
Anitavan is Ta Pratyaya. Tavatu. Tavatu Pratyaya. Ishta Pratyaya. I didn't bring the book today. Agam na Anitavan Kim Pustakam. Oh, sir. Today I didn't bring the book. Okay. योगशिक्षकः।
अस्तु, भवान् लोकेशेन सह तस्य पुस्तकं पश्यतु, परन्तु श्वः आरभ्य भवता प्रतिदिनं पुस्तकम् आनेतव्यम्.
The meaning clear?
From tomorrow you bring your book every day. That much is clear. Today you can Bhavan Lokeshena. Okay, share it with Lokesh.
Yes. Astu, okay. Bhavan, you Lokeshena saha tasya pustakam pashyatu. You see the book with Lokesh. Tasya pustakam is book. With Lokesh, you see his book. Parantu, but tomorrow, Shraha, Arabhya, from tomorrow, Bhavata, by you, Pratidinam, Pustakam Anetavyam. Anetavyam is Tavya Pratyanta. Ni dhatu, Akarmaka dhatu, therefore, ni plus Tavya, no Ittagama. Ni dhatu, sorry, I already said ni dhatu, anit dhatu. I said by mistake, Akarma. Ni dhatu is anit dhatu, therefore, ni plus Tavya, no Ittagama. Ni will become ne, then Netavya. With a upasarga, anetavya. Netavya to take, anetavya to bring, should be brought. Nidatu sakarmaka dhatu. That's why pustakam is there. Pustakam is a karma. Okay. Nidatu is anit dhatu. That's why you don't see any ittagama before the pratyaya. Right? Anetavyam. By whom? Bhavata, by you. Karta is in tritiya vibhakti. When karta is in tritiya, then what prayoga is that? Karmani prayoga. Karma is there in pratama vibhakti. Pustakam, therefore anetavyam. If it is Gita, then Anetavya. If it is Grantaha, then Anetavyaha. Bhavata Pratidinam Grantaha Anetavyaha. Bhavata Upanishad Pratidinam
Anetavya.
Anetavya. Upanishad is Srilinga Shabda. Bhavata Pustakani Pratidinam
Anetavyaha.
Anetavyani.
Sorry.
पुस्तकं
Bhavata Pratidinam Vyakaranam Patitav
Vyakaranam Vyani.
Patitavyam.
कर्तव्य
Okay, so that's a usage here. Okay, Yoga Shikshakaha.
Okay. पुस्तके प्राणायामविषयकौ द्वौ लोकौ स्तः. अहं तौ पठामि.
Those shloko, not loko. Two lokas are there. Must be shloka, take it.
अहं तौ पठामि. भवद्भिः सम्यक् श्रोतव्यम्. श्रुत्वा अनुवक्तव्यं च.
Okay, meaning is?
In this book, regarding pranayama, there are two shlokas. We will read both.
I will read.
Sorry, I will read both. Bhavadbhi, by you all. Listen well. Like all of you should listen well. And
should we listen to well.
Having listened, repeat.
Should be repeated.
So
pranayama vishayakau, though pranayama vishayakau, though the word is, it's a compound actually. Bhagavri samasa. Pranayamaha vishayaha yasya shlokasya saha shlokaha pranayama vishayakaha shlokaha. And it is true, therefore pranayama vishayakau, dvau shlokau. The compound, Bhagavri. It is because shlokau is there. Dvau also not record, but just two shlokas, which are, whose subject matter is pranayama. In the book, it is there. Agam tau, tau referring to that two shlokas. Sagataute tam tau. Right? Tau. Karma object. Two. Agam patami. I read those two shlokas. Bhavat bihi by you all. Samyak shrotavyam should be listened to it very well. And anuvaktavyam should be repeated after. Having listened, should be repeated after me. Okay. Shloka, what is the shloka?
Can pranayama vishayakau also be karmadharaya?
Cannot be karmadharaya. It's not a pratyaya. Ka is there. Generally, ka pratyaya will be a bhagavadiki. We don't know about samasa, don't worry.
Okay. बद्ध बद्ध पद्मासनो योगी प्राणं चंद्रेण पूरयेत् धारयित्वा यथाशक्ति भूयः सूर्येण रेचयेत्. This is one shloka. Then pranam suryena chakrishya पूरये दुदरं शनैः विधिवत् कुम्भकं कृत्वा पुनश्चंद्रेण रेचयेत्.
So if you don't know Hatha Yoga, then I think you can understand. So Puraka, Rechaka, Kumbhaka is a Purayet fill. We have got two Ida and Pingala, Surya and Chandra, the Nadi. So Baddha Padmasanaha, referring to the yogi, it's a Bhagavati compound. Baddha Padmasane, Baddha Padmasanam, Padmasanaha Yasya, Baddha Padmasanam Yasya, Yena Saha. The one who is Baddha, who is connected, who is seated, Baddha is bind in Padmasana, that is yogi. Chandraena Purayet, Pranam Chandraena Purayet, may he fill the prana by Chandra. Surya and Chandra, Ida and Pingala. Okay. Referring to the Nadi, Chandraena, right nostril, left nostril. Dharayitva, having hold Yata Shakti, Bhuyaha, Suryena, Rechayet. Purayet in Rechaka. Yata Shakti, Shakti Manati Kramya. Yata Shakti also compound only, Abhibhava Samasa. Having Purayet, Dharayitva, Dharayitva is Kumbhaka, then Rechaka. So Puraka, Kumbhaka, Rechaka. Bhuyaha Suryena. So inhaling through the Chandra to the left nostril, retaining it and then exhaling to the Surya, right nostril. Then Pranam Suryena Chakrishya. Again, what to do? Suryena, but to the right nostril, Prana should be Akrishya should be drawn. What is Akrishya? 11th. A plus Krish plus Lep Pratyaya. Akrishya, having withdrawn, having drawn, having pulled. Puryed Udaram. Puryed Udaram is you have to split Sandhi. Puryed Udaram. Udaram is stomach. Shanegi, slowly fill the stomach with prana. Vidhivat, similarly, keeping with the Vidhi. Kumbhakam Krutva, having done Kumbhaka. Kumbhaka is retention of the prana. Punaha Chandrena, again you exhale through Chandra left nostril. Iti Atayoga Pradipika. The slokam is said. Yeah.
श्लोके उक्तः चन्द्रः कः सूर्यः कः इति प्रथमं ज्ञातव्यम्. चन्द्रः नाम इडा
only.
Okay. चन्द्रः नाम इडा, सूर्यः नाम पिङ्गला. इडा का पिङ्गला का इति भवतः जानन्ति खलु?
So the shloka Chandra Surya iti uktaha kila. What is that? Uktaha Chandraha. Uktaha, what pratyaya? Uktaha, what padam is? Uktaha.
Ta pratyaya.
Ta pratyaya. That which is said. Ta pratyaya referring to karma. That Uktaha Chandraha. What is that Chandra? Similarly, Suryaha Uktaha. What is that Suryaha? Iti pratamam. First we have to know, be known. Yatavya means?
We should know.
We should generally should be known. We are generally okay. We are you all or Yatavyam, whatever it is. Yatavyam should be known. Yadatu Tavya Pratyaya Anit Dhatu no itagama. Chandraha is Ida. Surya is Pingala. That Ida and Pingala we say, right? Su Sukshma Nadis. Ida and Pingala, Sushumna Nadi. So Ida and Pingala. Ida is Chandra and Pingala is Surya. Left nostril, right nostril. Ida ka Pingala ka iti bhavantaha jananti kalu. Do you know what is Ida and Pingala? That he says, referring to the Nadi, Chatraha. Yeah, please read. Chatraha, Rajaji.
महाशय इडा पिङ्गला च नासिकायाः वाम वामदक्षिणः अन्तरस्थ नाट्यौ
Not Dakshina, Vama Dakshina Randhrastha.
Okay, वामदक्षिण अन्तरस्थ नाट्यौ
Dakshina Randhrastha.
Okay, दक्षिण रन्ध्रस्थ नाट्यौ सूचयतः.
So,
Yes, sir. Mahashaya. Da Pingala cha Nashikaya. So, the student is saying that the Ida Pingala are located in the left and right nostrils of the
yes.
nose.
Yes. Andrastha, we say Brahmarandra, that is in the aperture of the head, Brahmarandra. So, only Andrastha, in the aperture of Vama Dakshina, Nadyau Suchayataha, that Nadi which is located in the left and right nostril. That is what the words Ida and Pingala referring to. Okay. Randra means it's a hole. Vamarandrastha, that is located in the aperture. Vamarandrastaha, Randrastha, Ida, Dakshina Randrastha, Pingala. By the word Ida and Pingala, they are referring to the Nadi. Nadyau Suchayataha. Ida Pingala Chanasikayaha. Vama Dakshina Randrasya Nadyau Suchayataha. Okay. Okay, now understand the meaning, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji. Yes, Guruji.
Okay. Now Suchayata, what Kriya Padam? The Kriya Padam or what, first of all?
Looks like Tadita.
Tadita, oh really?
No.
Suddenly went to Tadita.
Can't be. Suchayataha.
Oh. Suchayati, Suchayataha.
Oh, normal word.
Suchayanti. How can be Tadita? A simple Kriya Padam, right? 10th conjugations. Suchayati notifies. Suchayataha. Suchayanti indicates, notified.
Okay, Suchayi.
Ida and Pingala. Suchayataha. Subject is Ida and Pingala, the subject. Ida Pingala cha Suchayataha. Or you can say Ida, you can do compound. Ida Pingale Suchayataha. Ida and Pingala indicates the nadi of the nostrils and the nadi, left side nadi and right side nadi. Located in the aperture of the nostril. So, subject is Ida and Pingala. Two things are there, that way Staha. Only Ida is, okay, I will make like this. Ida Nasikayaha Vamarandrastha Nadi Suchayati. Pingala Nasikayaha Dakshinarandrastha Nadi, Nadim, I should say Nadim Suchayati. Karma. Again, I repeat, convert this into make into two sentences. Ida Nasikayaha Vamarandrastha Nadim Suchayati. Pingala Nasikayaha Dakshinandrasya Nadim Suchayati. Right? Put together into one sentence. Ida Pingala cha Ida Pingale Suchayataha. Right? Ke Suchayataha Nadyau Suchayataha. Why K? Because Srilinga Nadi. K is Vidya Vakti. द्विवचनम्.
Hmm.
Dakshina, Bhama, Dakshina, Randraste, Nadyau, Suchayataha. Understand?
Hmm.
Kriyapadam. Why doubt? Any doubt in that? Huh?
Hmm.
Now, Kaushalyaji, you read Yoga Shikshakaha.
अस्तु तर्हि अधुना अस्य विधिं पश्यामः साधकेन पद्मासने उपविशनीयं तेन ऋजुना भवितव्यं ततः परं प्राणवायुः इडया पूरणीयः ततः क्षणं यावत् उदरे प्राणवायुः धारणीयः ततः परं पिङ्गलया प्राणवायुः बहिः त्यक्तव्यः भवेत् ततः परं क्षणं यावत् स्थित्वा पुनः पिङ्गलया पूरयित्वा इडया शनैः बहिः त्यक्तव्यः अनेन प्रकारेण इदा पिङ्गलाभ्यां वायुं स्वीकृत्य वायुं धारयित्वा वायुं त्यक्त्वा
Vayum
प्राण
Tekta, Vayum is that. Have to correct it, yeah.
वायुं त्यक्त्वा प्राणायामाभ्यासः करणीयः अभ्यासः शनैः करणीयः न तु वेगेन यावान् वायुः भवता अन्तः स्वीकर्तुं शक्यते तावान् एव अन्तः स्वीकरणीयः
Svikaraniyaha, that is a mistake.
स्वीकरणीयः
No, let us read again. What is the meaning? Astu. Targi Aduna Asya Vidim Pashyamaha. Now, we will see look at the Vidhi,
rules
the rule. Asya Vidim, or Vidim Pranayamasya. Right? Pranayamasya Vidim Pashyamaha. Right? Understand? Sadhakera Padmasane
विषनीयम्
Upavishaniyam.
should
Is
sit
it correct
in
or not? Tell me.
Padmasani
Sadhakena by the sadhaka in Padmasana.
उपविशनीयः
Correct. No, Upavishani is Bhave Prayoga.
Yeah, of course, Bhave Karma not there.
So it should be in Apumsakalinga Ekavachan.
That's okay.
Upavishaniyam is
Yeah, Upavishaniyam is correct or not? That's what I'm asking.
yeah, that it should be correct.
Is it?
उपविशनीयः
Upavesha, it is not Visha. Vishdhatu, Vish plus Aniyar Pratyaya. Aniyar Pratyaya will cause Vish will become, V will become Ve. It's a mistake. Upaveshaniyam. It's a mistake typo. This is when I type, maybe the error happened. Okay. Padmasane is Saptami. Locus. Sadhakena is the karta, that is Tritiya Vakti, it's okay. Upavesha Vishdhatu is Akarmaka Dhatu, therefore we don't have a karmani prayoga, it is only bhave. That's fine. So sadhakena upaveshaniyam, right? Upaveshaniyam means what? Should be
Sit.
should be
Padmasana.
sit. Should be seated, cast to seat, that will be upaveshayaniyam, it will become. But anyway, that is not that. I'm just saying. Tena Rujuna Bhavita. Okay. Rujuna Bhavitavyam means to be straight. Ruju is straight. We say, no, Amanitvam Agim, Pradambitvam Agimsa, Kshanti, Arjavam, we say in Gita, right? What is Arjava? Ruju Bhavaha is called Arjava. Straightforwardness. Those 20 spiritual disciplines, qualities, they are called Jnanam in the context of Gita, 13th chapter. That Arjavam is Tadita. Tadita and the form of Riju. From Riju only we get Arjava. one pratyaya is added, some pratyaya. So by that, maybe the pratyaya must be having one something. What pratyaya to see? The ru will become R. Vriddhi will happen. Arj. Arjavam. The form. So Rujura is Tena by whom? Kena. Sadakena. Rujuna should be straight. Bhavitavyam should be seated straight. Sit straight. It's in Rujuna is in Karmani. I mean, Bhavitavyam is in Karmani. But we can use translation, we can understand. Should sit straightly. Should be seated straight. Tataha param pranavayuhu idya puraniyaha. What pratyaya here? What is the kridanta?
Puraniya.
Puraniya.
Puraniyaha.
Puraniya.
It is pullinga because pranavayuhu is pullinga. Pranavayuhu idya is a nadi. Idya atataha param, then after pranavayu through idya puraniyaha should be filled. Right? Should be filled up with pranavayu. Idya through the ida and pingala, is that right? It must be not idaya because it is okay. Ida is idaya. It's correct only. I thought nadi. Idaya is right, not idaya, because ida is the pratipadikam. Idaya by the ida and pingala, referring to that the nadi located in the nostril left and right. So through the idaya, it should be filled up. Pranavayu should be filled up. Tataha kshanam, then that moment, yavatu udare pranavayuhu dharaniyaha. Here also same thing. Dharaniyaha is
Pranavayu.
Filled.
dridhatu plus aniyat. What will happen?
Will be replaced by R.
Dridhatu, dri plus aniyat. Dharaniyaha. How dri plus the aniyat become dharaniyaha?
6145.
640. What is 640?
6145 rule. H followed by
Where is
she.
H here?
Dhru is
Dri. So
okay. Dhru. Okay. Sorry. No. Sorry. That's H. Okay.
Dharaniyaha is causative of dri. Dri means old. Cast to old. Should be hold on. The cast to old. Should be retained. That meaning. So dri plus ni should become dari. Dari plus aniya, dharaniya. Dari plus aniya, that E will go away because aniya is anit. Anit follows ni, goes away. We know that rule. Dharaniyaha.
Correct.
So causative form of dri is dharaniyaha. Okay. Dri is dharati, poshati, holds. Dharane cause to hold. It means should be retained. Pranavayuhu udare, the stomach should be retained. Positive form dharaniyaha. Dharana, what we say, right? What is dharana? Old and cause to old, retain the sense of that meaning. Tataha param, after that, Pingalaya by Pingala Nadi, Pranavayuhu, Bagihi, Tektavyaha should be given up. Tektavyaha Bhavet, right?
Excellent.
Pranavayu through the Pingala, right? Nostril should be given up. Understand?
Yes.
Tataha kshanam stitva, Tataha kshanam yavat stitva, that moment, yavat stitva, remaining in that, that position, yavat stitva punaha pingalaya purayitva idaya, again filling up through pingala, idaya shanehi through the idaya left nostril, shanehi slowly bagihi tyaktabhyaha should be
Exhale.
Released.
released through
Released.
ida. Having inhaled through pingala, through the ida should be released slowly. It's talking about pranayama, which we know. Anena prakarena, by this anena prakara ukta prakarena, by this method, it is not ida, it should be ida pingala bhyam. What vibhakti? Tritiya. Ida pingala bhyam rama bhyam vayum svikritya. Swikaranam is accepting, svikritya, inhaling. That's how we have to take the meaning. Vayum svikritya, vayum dhargyatva, holding, retaining the vayu, vayum tyaktva, giving up the vayu, pranayama, yamabhyasaha. It's a compound. Pranayamasya abhyasaha. Practice of pranayama should be done. Pranayama abhyasaha karaniyaha. Abhyasaha shanehi karaniyaha should be done slowly. Natu vegena, not fastly. Yavan vayuhu bhavata hantaha svikartum shakyate. As much vayu which we can svikartum, can inhale, tavat tavan eva antaha svikaraniyaha. How much of vayu you can svikartum shakyate, that much you have to antaha, you have to take in. As much you can inhale, so much vayu you can retain. Okay, then please read.
मासत्रयात् अधिकं यदि एषः नाडीशोधन प्राणायामः क्रियते तदा शरीरस्य नाड्यः मलरहिताः भवन्ति। तदा शरीरे वायोः चलनं सुष्ठुरूपेण भवति। यथा हठयोगप्रदीपिकायां सूच्यते। प्राणं चेदिडया पिबेन् नियमितं भूयोन्यया रेचयेत्। पीत्वा पिङ्गलया समीरणमथो वद्धा त्यजेद् वामया।
So masatraya means 3 months. Masatrayat adhikam, more than 3 months. Just masatrayat adhikam, 3 months. A practice of more than 3 months. Yadi eshaha nadi shodhanam. Nadi shodhanam is purification of the nadi. The pranayama which purifies the nadi, it's called nadi shodhana pranayamaha. Kriyate, if it is done, eshaha karmani prayoga, done, then sharirasya nadyaha, nadyo nadyaha, bhagavachanam becomes malaragitaha, free from impurities. It means nadi becomes pure. Shuddha bhavati. Tada sharire vayogo charanam, then the vayu, the movement of the air in the body becomes free. Sushtu rupena bhavati. Yata in the Hatha Yoga Pradipikayam Suchyate, it is Uchyate, it is indicated, it is told. What? The shloka. Pranam chet idaya pibhen niyamitam. That is, you drink prana, that is, you inhale. That's what pibet means, literally drinking. But here drinking air, inhaling air. Niyamitam, regulated. Anyaya, but is other one. Anyaya is pingalaya. Bhuyaha, again, Dechayat, give up, release. Then Pitva Pingalaya, drinking through the Pingala, that is inhaling through the Pingala. Samiranam is equally. Ataha, Badva, Tejet, Vamaya. Then having hold, then release it through the Vamanadi. The next shloka is that just Surya Chandra Masoranena Vidina अभ्यासं सदा तन्वतां शुद्धा नाडिगणा भवन्ति यमीनां मासत्रयाद् ऊर्ध्वतः तपः सूर्य चंद्रमसः अनेन विधिना अभ्यासं when the person does vidina abhyasam यदा अभ्यासं क्रियते अभ्यासः यः करोति अभ्यासं विधिना सूर्यचन्द्रमसोः सूर्यनाडी चंद्रनाडी चंद्रमस शब्द सकारांत शब्द द्वितीय व्यक्ति षष्ठी व्यक्ति द्वितीय द्विवचनम इट इज चंद्रमसोः अनेन by that विधिना अभ्यासं संधि so abhyasam by vidhi, that is in as per the rule within vidhi, yaha karoti sada, then tanvatam means the one who has got the tanu, the shariram. Tanvatam shuddha bhavati, shuddha nadiganaha bhavati. Shuddha bhavati, nadiganaha, shuddhaha bhavanti. Nadi becomes group of nadi, so many nadis are that becomes pure. Yaminam matra trayat urdhvataha. For the one, yami is for the one who restrains, who does yam dhatu uparave. For whom it happens, by yaminam, for the one who does this pranayama. It's called yaminam. So yama, the word yam is uparame, withdrawal. Yam, from that we get yaminam. Masatrayat urdhvataha. Urdhvataha means, that's what he said, little Masatrayat adhikam, the one who practices this. For him, the nadi shuddhi happens. What is said before, that is in the form of a shloka is given. In fact, the meaning of the shloka alone is given. Masatrayat adhikam nadi shodha pranayama kriyate tada sharirasya nadyaha shuddhaha bhavanti malaragitaha bhavanti. Okay. That's anyway, that is only for practice, only the tavya and here you have to note. Sarvehi yoga sutram smaraniyam smartavyam. Yoga sutram, what vibhakti, what vachanam?
Pratama
vibhakti, therefore smaraniyam.
Eka
vachanam. Yoga sutre, sarvehi yoga sutre smaraniye smartavye.
Dvitiya.
Pratama vibhakti only, dvivachanam. In keeping with the vachanam, then smaraniya to speak. So same vibhakti, same vachanam. Just showing samanadhikaraniyam. Confirming with the nouns. The kridanta, that rupasya, kridanta rupanam, vibhakti vachananam, samanatvam, samanyam. Bhavati. With what? With the nouns. With the what it indicates. That is the object of Yoga Sutra is the object, right? Object of the Kriya, Smarana Kriya. Right? So, Karmana Saha Samana Vivaktihi, Samanam Vachanam Bhavati. Yet Ya Vivakti question, no, there's no question. Karmana Ya Vivakti, Ka Vivakti Bhavati, Dvitiya Vivakti. So, therefore, Dvitiya Vivaktihi and Karmana Vachananusaram Kridantana Vachanam Bhavati. By Kridanta, by Tavya, Aniyar, etc., what is denoted? Karma alone. Karma will be in what vibhakti? Karma will be in Pratama vibhakti. When Tavya and Aniyar used. Therefore, there is no question about that. Vachanam has to be in whatever Vachanam Karma takes. The same Vachanam, the Kridanta should be. So, therefore, Yoga Sutram is Ekavachanam, therefore Smaraniyam. Yoga Sutra is Smaraniya. Yoga Sutrani is Smaraniyani, or Smartavyani. Just showing the Savanadhikarani. That's it. Okay. Survey referring to the Karta, which is not denoted, undenoted. So, Anabhigite Karta, Anabhigite Kartari. Anabhigita Karta will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. Abhigita karma is abhigitam by vikrityas. Abhigitatvat pratama vibhakti. So, कर्मणः प्रथमा विभक्तिः. यत् वचनं भवति कर्मणः तदेव वचनं कृदन्तानामपि. Okay. Now,
Maybe the third one should be Yoga Sutrani.
Yoga Sutrani, yes, mistake. Then Abhyasaha. This is different examples. This Tavya, Aniya, and Tarupa can be declined in all the genders, in all the vibhaktis, all the vachanams, right? So their usage in Prathama, Dvitiya, and all. See, all these things we don't see in the books. We don't have any books or materials in the sense of published by Samskrita Bharati or other. Maybe I don't think it is available. So therefore, I thought, okay, let us do at least some. That's why some abhyasa I have added, referring some books. I think more I can add some stories, etc. But I don't have time. When it comes, we will do. So this is with this. I think the abhyasa is over, and this is simple. We can always you can take Gita something as your homework and find out the Tavya or Aniya occurring. Atmavare drashtavyah, shrotavyah, mantavyah, nididhyasitavyah. What pratyaya is that? The Brihadaranyaka Upanishad Vakya.
Tavya.
Tabya pratyaya. Tabya, it is in the sense of, we have seen the sense of order also. Preshati sarga prapta kaleshu. And the sense of ling lakara, they are used. Ling is what? Agnya prarthanadishu. Agnya, order. Ling loto, Agnya prarthanadishu. In the sense of what sense they are used? Order or request, invitation, etc. So many meanings are there. But Tavya also used in that sense. Tavya also used in that sense. Like in Taittiriya Upanishad, we have the Tavya. We have Tavya, we have that Taittiriya Upanishad. Lotlakara Rupam also we have. Satyam Vada, Dharmam Chara, Swadhya Anma, Pramadaha. Then after that, the Upadesha is given. Vayashane Prashvasitavyam, Shaddhaya Deyam, Ashaddhaya Adeyam. What is Deyam, Adeyam? Yat Pratyaya. Right? Yat Pratyaya is Kritya Pratyayas, which is used the sense of ling lakara, ling or load, right? So all this shaddaya deyam, deyam is dadatu, deyam, ashaddaya adeyam, priya deyam, biya deyam, samvida deyam. So you will see like that in the Upanishad. So that yat pratyaya is used. So ling lakara or this kritya pratyas, you will see where it is used, then you can understand it is in sense of some order, some command. Right? That is the example from the Veda. In fact, Tavya also it is there. I think in the second.
Shrotavyasya cha.
Huh?
Shrotavyasya, second chapter, Gita. Shrotavyasya Shutasya cha.
Shrotavyasya Shutasya cha. Yes, Shrotavyam. Yes, it is there. That we should be listened to. Yes, it is there. Right? So you will see all those things. Even in Upanishads, I was telling, no? There we have Satyana Pramaditavyam Tavyam Dharmana Pramaditavyam Kushalana Pramaditavyam Bhutyaina Pramaditavyam Swadhyaya Pravachanabhyam na Pramaditavyam Deva Pitrakaryabhyam na Pramaditavyam. Right? All these are Tavya Pramaditavyam Tani Sevitavyani. कर्तव्यानि यान्यस्माकं सुचरितानि तानि त्वयोपास्यानि आनि प्रत्यय तानि okay तानि यान्यस्माकं सुचरितानि is ta pratyaya but that's okay that's सेवितव्यानि right तया सनेन तेषां तया सनेन प्रश्वसितव्यम् श्रद्धया देयम् अश्रद्धया देयम् श्रिया देयम् क्रिया देयम् भिया देयम् संविदा देयम्. So you will see in the usage in the Vedas also. एवम् उपासितव्यम् एवमुचैतदुपास्यम्. Taittiriya Upanishad you will see. Okay, so here we have got some examples. Taya karaniyam karyam etat. What vibhakti karaniyam karyam? Pratama vibhakti. Why?
उत्तमं
It is
कार्यं
karyam is
Karyam.
abhigita. Karyam ekavachanam. So karyam by you. You is the karta. Anabhigita karta tritiya. Taya karaniyam karyam shigram karaniyam. Here it is karaniyam is the main. The Kridanta playing the role of a verb. Karyam taya shigram karaniyam. Shigram is it is adverbial. Conversation quickly should be done. What?
Karyam.
कार्यं
Taya karyam. Therefore, karyam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Taya karaniyam karyam. Taya karyam. Why Dvitiya Vibhakti? Here also it is same only. Taya karyam shigram karaniyam. It's not Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Guruji, here there are
No,
two
but
sets.
Karyam can be Ditya also.
We can take karyam, then
Karyam shighram karaniyam. So Dvitiya karyam can be in
karyam shigram karaniyam. Karyam is Prathama Vibhakti only, not Dvitiya Vibhakti. And this karyam is qualified by karaniyam kartavyam to be done. The karyam referring to the work, action, not yat pratyaya. Karya is the action. No, yat pratyaya may be that bhave yat can be. That's okay. Yat pratyaya, karya the action. The action should be done by you. Must be done quickly. That action kartavyam is the action which ought to be done. Kartavyam karma. It means the actions which are, that is, the duties, you can translate in English. Duties should be done by you quickly. Taya kartavyam karyam. So, where is Dvitiya Vibhakti here? There is no Dvitiya Vibhakti. Because Dvitiya Vibhakti itself will come because this is wrong. Karaniyam, what will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti when Karaniya, when Kridanta Pratyaya, and that too which is denote karma is used. There's no meaning at all. What will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti? Taya is karta. What will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti? Dvitiya Vibhakti, if it is there, it has to be object. Then Karaniya denote the object only. How can be Dvitiya Vibhakti? Therefore, it is Prathama Vibhakti only. There cannot be Dvitiya Vibhakti. That's the wrong thing. Karyam shigram kartavyam. Karyam should be done quickly. What type of karyam? That karaniyam karyam, kartavyam karyam. That karma, that karya which must be done. It means it is nityam, it is obligatory, that is mandatory. That is the meaning. To be done by you quickly. Therefore, there is no Dvitiya Vibhakti. Don't think, how can we Dvitiya Vibhakti? What will be Dvitiya Vibhakti? You tell me, which one will be Dvitiya Vibhakti among the 6 plus 6 karakas? Karma, karta, karma, karana, sampadana, apadana, adhikarana. Which one will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti? Huh? Karta
Karma,
will be
karma,
neither Prathama or Tritiya. Number
karma.
1, right? Karta in Pratama when it is Abhigita. Anabhigita Tritiya. Karma will be in Pratama, Abhigita or Dvitiya, Anabhigita. Some Karanam onwards, only Anabhigita Karana Tritiya, Anabhigita Sampradana Chaturthi, Anabhigita Apadana Panchami, Anabhigita Adhikarana Saptami. Shashti is not a Karaka, therefore you don't count it. Therefore, what can be in Dvitiya Bhakti? Karma only. That too only the Karma, it is the Kartari Prayoga, Karma will be Dvitiya. In Karmani, and this denotes Karma, Karma has to be in Pratama. So that is Dvitiya Bhakti. It's wrong. Understand? Please know. There is no Dvitiya Bhakti. Here, the idea is that Kartavyam and Karaniyam plays the role of an adjective to Karyam. Karyam, the actions should be done quickly. For this, Karyam is Napumsaka. Suppose if we, instead of here, Toya Karya Shigram Karaniya, this will become Karaniya Kartavya. Right? The qualifier. Understand? So here it is used as a qualifier to Karyam. Next one you would see. Toya Karaniyena Kartavyena. That's what it is here. Tritiya. Here now just showing the showing the adjectival forms. Toya etat karyam kartavyam pratama. Here also same thing. It cannot be dvitiya. That is not possible. Toya karaniyena kartavyena chinnena na bhavitavyam. Toya na bhavitavyam. Karma not mentioned. Therefore bhave prayoga. Karaniyena kartavyena chinnena na bhavitavyam. Karaniyena kartavyena, we can supply karyena. By the karma, the action which is to be done, chinnena navavitavyam, one should not get chinna. Chinna means fatigue, tired. Chinnena navavitavyam, should not get fatigue, should not get tired. By karaniyena kartavyena, chinnena, by difficult task. Chinna is kiddhatu, kidyati. Kidyati means it is fourth conjugation, kidyati. Kidyati, kinna, all those comes from the dhatu only. Kid means tired, fatigue. That's the meaning, kid. So, kinnena navavitavyam. Right? Understand? So, that's the meaning. Kinnena navavitavyam. Should not feel dukkha. Karanena, dukkhena navavitavyam toya. So, here we karyena we can supply. Karaniyena, kartavyena, in one of them, by karyena, chinnena navavitavyam toya. Okay. Toya karaniyaya kartavyaya karyaya siddhena bhavitavyam. So here Chaturthi Vibhakti. So therefore here Chaturthi Vibhakti is used. Karaniyaya kartavyaya toya karyaya siddhena bhavitavyam. Siddhena bhavitavyam means you should be ready for the action which are to be done. Toya karaniyat kartavyat karyat na dhavitavyam. Davita means palayitavyam, should not run away from the karma actions to be done. I will add here one karyam so that becomes clear. Kinnena is there. I will add karyena, then kinnena. Karyena is understood. So the doubt will not be there. Kinnena. Dukkhena na bhavitavyam. It is used as an adverb. Kinnena na bhavitavyam. Then Toya karaniyasya kartavyasya karyasya avalihi karaniya. Avali means you have to make it into a list. The actions which are to be done for that avali, the list is to be done, to be prepared. Toya karaniye kartavya karye sashadhena bhavitavyam. This is also adverbial. you should be such Shraddhena with Shraddha. You ought to be with Shraddha with regard to the Karya which is to be done. All these are just shown different forms of different Vivakti Rupani of the Kridanta, Tavyanta. Understand? So it can play the role of an adjective also. It can play the role of a verb also. Right? The last one. Bhavata Bhavatya Shuddhaharaha Kadaniyaha. This you can read one by one, you can understand. No exercise, just reading and understanding. Yeah, please read Magita. You read 3 sentences, Raja will read 3, and Kaushal he will read 3.
भवता और भवत्या शुद्धाहारः खादनीयः.
Shuddhaharaha Pullinga, therefore Shuddhahara Kadaniyaha. Doesn't have to do anything with the gender of the Karta, right? Next sentence.
भवता भवत्या योगाभ्यासः कर्तव्यः. भवता भवत्या सत्यं वक्तव्यम्.
So try to use this in our day-to-day activities. Maya kartavyam karma asti. Maya Gita paditavya adya. Something like that. Maya samskritam pataniyam adya. Maya, you can say, apanihi gantavyaha. Right? Okay. Please read, Rajaji.
Bhavata or Bhavatya Swachhata Palaniya.
Swachhata is cleanliness.
Cleanliness.
So we should protect the follow the cleanliness. Maya bhavata bhavatya, by you. Yes.
Bhavata Bhavatya Ishvaraha Vandaniya.
Should be saluted.
Salute.
Bhagavan should be, yes.
Bhavata Bhavatya Yoga Shastram Pataniyam.
Yoga Shastram would be pataniyam. By you or by her. By her, you, it could be a Srilinga, or if you are Srilinga, then Bhavatya. Yoga Shastram should be read. Okay, next one. What? Mahita. Kausalaji, no? You didn't know?
Yeah.
Please read.
Bhavata Bhavatya Kavita Rachaniya.
Meaning?
Poetry should be enjoyed.
Should be written.
Rachaniya.
Composed. By you. By you means with respect that you could be a Srilinga or Pullinga. Yeah, you can read all 4.
Bhavata Bhavatya Krida Drashtavya.
You should see the movie. Bhavata, that Chitram Darshaniyam or Drashtavyam, you can say like that, right? The new movie, Hollywood movie, some adventure. Bhavata Drashtavyam Chalana Chitram, Tat Chalana Chitram Drashtavyam, you can say. Yeah, please read.
Bhavata Bhavatya Danam Datavyam.
Yes. Dhanam Datavyam, that is Shraddhaya Deyam. Dhanam, charity should be given by you.
Bhavata Bhavatya Vidyalaya Gantavyaha.
Yes. School should be gone to by you. It means you should go to the school. Doesn't look nice when you translate it in English. Okay. Please read. This also you can read. Kaushalaji.
Yogi Varyena Sri Sadashiva Brahmendra Swamina Rachitam Geetam. Sarvam Brahmamayam. Rere Sarvam Brahmamayam.
It's a song, no? By Sadashiva Brahmendra. Swamina Rachitam Idam Geetam. Yogi Varya is Yogi Varya Sreshtaha Ityartaha by Sadashiva Brahmendra. This Geetam was written. Kim Vachaniyam, Kimavachaniyam. Remember, this shloka is famous. Kim Vachaniyam, Kim Avachaniyam. What to say, what not to say. It's famous. Kim Pataniyam, Kim Apataniyam. Yeah, all these have this Tabya Pratyaya. That's an example. Please read.
Sarvam Brahmamayam. Rere Sarvam Brahmamayam. Kim Vachaniyam, Kimavachaniyam. Kim Vachaniyam, Kimavachaniyam. किं पठनीयं किमपठनीयं किं भजनीयं किमभजनीयं किं बोद्धव्यं किमबोद्धव्यं किं भोक्तव्यं किमभोक्तव्यं सर्वत्र सदा हंसध्यानं कर्तव्यं भो मुक्तिनिदानम्.
Yes. Sarvatra sada hamsa dhyanam kartavyam. Dhyanam of hamsa. Hamsa stands for Viveka. Hamsa stands for Atma, Brahma. The dhyanam kartavyam bho mukti nidhanam, which is the giver of mukti. Mukti nidhanam, hamsa dhyanam, sarvatra, everywhere. Sada always kartavyam. Kartavyam tabya pratyaya. Right? Then abhyasa. Okay, you can do quickly. Yeah, given here singular, you have to convert into dual. Bhagavachanam. Okay, starting from Magida, quickly.
सर्वैः योगशास्त्रं पठनीयं सर्वैः योगशास्त्राणि पठनीयानि
Yogasu.
भवत्
Okay, Yoga Shastrani. Yeah, next one you can do. Yeah.
भवता पारितोषिकं दातव्यं भवता पारितोषिकानि दातव्यानि
Okay.
मया
Next one.
लेखः
Yeah,
Maya
each one of you
lekha-
one. Yeah, please read.
मया लेखः लेखनीयः.
Hmm.
So it will be मया लेखाः लेखनीयाः.
Yes. Goshaladi. Please read quickly.
अस्माभिः नदी रक्षणीया अस्माभिः
Adhyaha.
नद्यः रक्षणीयाः
Yes.
सर्वैः वृक्षाः
Next person. Each one. Keep the mic unmute. Okay. Please read quickly.
सर्वैः वृक्षाः आरोपणीयाः. This is already बहुवचनम्.
Convert singular.
सर्वैः वृक्षम् आरोपणीयम्.
Vrikshah aropaniyah. Pullinga. Next one.
भारतीयै धेनवः रक्षणीयाः.
Yes. Convert into singular.
Is it धेनुः?
Denuhu. Yes.
धेनुः रक्षणीया.
Raksha. Denuhu rakshaniya. Yes. Bharatiyaihi.
भारतीयैः
धेनुः.
धेनुः रक्षणीया.
Yes. Next one.
बालकैः उत्तमकथाः श्रोतव्याः बालकैः उत्तमकथाः
No,
श्रोतव्याः
Katha. Uttama Katha.
कथा
Uttama Katha. Srilinga.
श्रोतव्या
I think you should all read the Shabda again. Huh? Memorize the Shabdas. Yes.
मया वस्त्रं प्रक्षालनीयम्. मया वस्त्राणि प्रक्षालनीयानि.
Okay.
What is प्रक्षालनीयम्?
Washed.
Okay.
कार्तिकेन फलं खादितव्यं. So कार्तिकेन फलानि खादितव्यानि.
Yes.
अध्यापकेन उत्तरपुस्तिकाः द्रष्टव्याः अध्यापकेन उत्तर पुस्तिका द्रष्टव्या.
Yes. Uttara Pustika means answer book. Next one.
साधकैः अभ्याससमये योगवस्त्रं धर्तव्यम्. साधकैः अभ्याससमये योगवस्त्राणि धर्तव्यानि.
Now, Karmani, Ganeshena Kavyam Pataniyam. Convert into Karatari. Okay. You can do, start from Rajaji. You can do Glat Lakara. This is not a translation. I mean, Karmani Prayoga is given, but just I'm asking you to do Lat Lakara. Ganeshena Kavyam Pataniya. You can replace Pataniya by Lot Lakara or Ling Lakara, your choice. Please do.
Second.
You can do the same. Let it be in Karmani Prayoga. You don't have to change the Prayoga.
So
But you
Ganeshena
can,
Kavyam Pataniyam. So it will be Ganesha Kavyam Patati.
no,
That
you
will
don't
be
have
right.
to put the Prayoga. You can let it be in Karmani Prayoga itself, but use lot or ling Karmani. Your choice. I'm giving lot or ling.
Okay. No, so I'm not getting it. Can someone else do? I'll follow.
Pataniyam, you can use lot or ling. What, Magita? Or
Pathatu.
what, Kausalya? Huh?
Pat- Ganesh. Sena.
We have done Karmani.
Sorry.
Or Patyeta, lot or ling, I said. Ganeshena Kavyam Patyatam. Similarly, this you can try. Magita, do this.
Lataya Bhojanam Karaniyam Suddhi Kru Kar Pritam or
Priyatam. Karmani Trila. Apana. Priyeta. Karmani Padila. This there already we have done before. All the infant reader Karmani we have done. Remember? All the lakaras, etc. Prayoga already done. Where are those lakaras? Here it is itself is there. Simple one it is in fact. Karmani. Yate, yete, yante. Letter lung and yatam, yetam, yantam, yasva, yetam, yadam, ye, yava, he, yava. These are the pratyaya you add to the dhatu, you get the form. Right? So kriyatam, kriyatam, kriyantam, kriyasva, kriyatam, kriyadvam, kriyai, kriyavahe, kriyamahi, kriyeta, kriyayatam, kriyaranna. Pitru dhatoho. All these are karmani. Okay, next one. Kausalyaji.
बालकेन गृहकार्यं लेखनीयं बालकेन गृहकार्यं लिख्यतां
Yes. Likyatam, very good.
लिख्येत
Or likyeta. Yes. Remember, we did all this before. Okay, now Rajaji. Chatrena Satyam.
Vaktavyam. So it will be
Achdatu.
Chatrena Satyam Uchyeta.
Uchyatam. Singular. Uchyatam, uchyantam, lot lakara. And ling would be uchyeta. Not vach uchyeta. Then Vaita. Bhavata asatkaryam.
Yaktavyam Tyakya
Tyajiyatam. Practice no. Tej. Yeta. Dhatu plus dot pratyaya. Add you will get. We have done this, a lot of practice on this before. Karmani, please see the separate playlist is there. Okay, next one, Vasulaji. Mitrena Pustakam, Netavyam. Dhatu is Ni Dhatu. Then Niyatam or Ni plus Yet becomes Ni
Yeta
Niyata. Niyeta, sorry. Niyatam. All this lot lakara is in spoken language, it is very used, frequently it is used. Okay. Then Chatraha Patet. Patet is what lakara? Ling lakara. An equivalent is Pataniyam. Chatrena Pataniyam. Similarly, you can do, let's start from Magita quickly. Sureshaha.
Sureshaha Chintayet. So Sureshaha Chintaniyam.
Sureshaha Chintaniyam. No. Sureshena Chintaniyam. Right?
हाँ
Next one.
हम्म,
Rajaji. Shankaraha agachet.
No, Guruji, I think I'll take.
Shankarena. Kausalaji. Shankarena agama niyam or
Agamaniyam.
agantavyam. Anything you can use. Right? Simple one. Balakaha tyajet. What is the form? Kausalaji.
Balakena
Yes.
Tyajaniyam.
Tyajaniyam. Tyaktavyam or tyajaniyam? Vaita.
छात्रेण सम्यके
Not
सम्यके
samyak only. It's some typo.
सम्यक्
Chatrena
लिखनीयं
samyak
लेखनीयं
liket. Chatraha samyak liket. It must be typo. Okay. So here becomes leka yam. Karma not sahavadet. Ajaji, tell. Saha will become tena. Vada plus tavya.
Tena vadaniyam.
Vadaniyam, simple. Vagita.
चित्रकारः रचयेत् चित्रकारेण रचनीयम्
Kausalyaji.
Mata Nayet. Matra Nayaniyam.
Ayaniyam. And tavyam also, netavyam also you can use. Next one. Ajaji.
Sushila Smaret. Is it Sushilaya Smaraniyam?
Yes. Understand, right? So,
Yeah.
simple. Acharya, Magita.
आचार्यः पृच्छेत् आचार्येण प्रक्तव्यम् और
Prashtavyam or
पृच्छनीयम्
Prachaniyam. Govindaha Kadet, last one. Kausalyaji.
Govindena Khaditavyam.
Kadaniyam. Since I'm using Kaditavyam also correct only. Okay. I think we'll stop here. Abhyasa is done. Tavya, Taniyar, and Yata Nyatikata all done. Kenimar only I have not done. Maybe I will say this later. It's not, it's it is Karma Kartari is used. We'll see that maybe later. This is all, they are not used much. They're all very popular. So I'm covering only popular. Next class we will see the popular Kridanta. I will give an introduction. Popular Kridanta we will cover and then more in detail Kridanta. If you have Kridanta Rupanandini, the book, please buy. Do you have the book?
Yes, Guruji, I got it.
What about
It is,
No,
Raja and Sushiraji?
I'll order it.
I'll get it, Guruji. This. Yeah.
Kridanta Rupanandini by Samskrita Bharati. So on the if you see the book, we have seen Nishta Pratyaya, Shatra Pratyas, other important, all Kridantas are not given. Only those Kridantas which are frequently used, which are famous, we used. There are so many other that we will see separately later in some other class. But popular Krit Pratyas are there. Those forms alone are given. Like Nul, Trich, Shatra, Shanach, already we have seen Shatra, Shanach, future tense also. Nijanta, Shatra, Shanach also we have done. And Yaka also we have done, that we will leave it. Tatavato also we have done. Tavya, Taniyar, Nyata, Yata, that also we have done. So Nul, Trich, Gai Pratyaya, Tin Pratyaya, and San, Lyut, Tuman, Twa, Lyap, Namul. These are the important Kridanta Pratyas, Krit Pratyas. We will start and the Kridanta Rupam we will see. After that, chapter wise Krit Pratyas we will see. Okay. Let's stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha, Guruji.